What's going on, guys? It's your boy Shevon here, back with a new video, and today we have a giveaway of a brand new iPhone 11 Pro 256 gigs unlocked in midnight green thanks to Spigen, Canada. So the links will be down below in the description. This is a short video, just an announcement. They will be revealing the winners on the 10th of this month, guys. So the winner, it's super easy. It's gonna be random. I'm also entering. All you have to do is just click the link down below in the description. First link down below in the description. It's a Gleam link. We all know how Gleam IO works. You sign in with your Instagram or your Twitter. You just sign in as much as possible. Try to have as much entries as possible. So as I said before, the links will be down below in the description. Midnight green, fully maxed out, unlocked. You also get 2 cases with it of your choice. So good luck to everyone, and hopefully the right person win, because I know a lot of you guys want those iPhones down. So drop a like and subscribe. Make sure to follow Spigen Canada on Instagram, because they just started a new Instagram. So they're doing this giveaway to help grow and to help out the community as well. As always, guys, good luck and love, peace and tweaks. Signing out.